For today's art activity, I am going to be drawing lines in my painting. I am going to draw curvy, straight, zigzag lines. Make sure those zigzags are nice and pointy. I can even add loop-de-loop lines, dotted lines, and broken lines. Once you have done one of each of those, you can repeat your favorite. Try to do all the different types of lines in your painting. One type of line per color space. So last week we painted the stripes or the straight lines of paint, and today we are taking each space and filling it with one type of line. Use all the different colors of crayons that you have available. Try to not just use one color the entire time. Maybe you can make a pattern of 2 or 3 colors. I like to use as many different types of colors and lines as possible until I have filled up the entire paper. Once I am done drawing my lines onto my painting, I am now going to work on my paintbrush. I have a brown handle, the black hair, and this is the silver part that goes in between. I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the back of the gray paper, and I'm going to line that up, and the gray paper goes right on top of where the line was, where the handle and the hair meet. That looks good. Now right here is where I'm going to add some more lines. I'm going to add some up and down or vertical wavy lines. This creates the look of the hair, helps to give it a little bit of texture and some patterns. I chose curvy lines, but you could do straight or zigzag. Then I'm going to flip it over, and on the back of where the hair is, not the handle, but the back of the hair, I'm going to put some glue, and I'm going to stick it in the corner so that way the handle is kind of sticking off the edge of my paper, but the rest of it is on my paper. Press and hold for a couple seconds, then you are finished. Clean up your materials and put everything away.